What is up, guys? Basic programming here with another video. Try to ignore the background music. My brother's playing music and I'm going to try and talk over it as much as I can so that I don't get copyrighted. But we're going to be learning Pascal programming. I do know Pascal and I know a little bit of it, but enough to keep this series alive for a little while. Now let me take like a minute out of my time to tell you guys what's happening with my other series. I know I've been uploading a lot of city alternatives and I do like doing that, and I'm going to continue to do that. Here's my schedule. So I plan on doing a program video today, a photoshopping Clash of Clans tomorrow, and then a random video of I don't know what, and then I want to do Pascal programming. I still want to do programming, I still want to do everything else, but yeah, this is just, I want to try and keep it mixed up so that I do city alternatives, photoshopping, Clash of Clans, and Pascal programming. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. I had to try and tell my brother to turn it down, but of course he won't listen. So we're going to create a new project here. And this is what you want to do. Now, you always get this prompt that says, do you want a Windows, console, Windows skeleton, DLL, or empty project? You want to select console application. I'm not going to put you on Windows for something that's really hard. So we'll name this YouTube. My computer's being really glitchy right now. And it's not because it's recording, it's just, it's been doing this all day. So we're going to have to give it a minute. Okay, and then when it starts up, hopefully, well, there we go, you should see begin and end. Now, the first thing we're going to learn how to do is type a very simple command. So, all you want to do is type in right line, and then whatever you want. There you go. This is the simplest thing you have to know how to do. Right line. No capitals. You have to do space and then parentheses. Now, if you knew previous languages in programming, here's how I remember this. Anytime you have to use apostrophes, it's because it's a string of text. Anytime you use no apostrophes, it actually counts that as a variable. We don't have any variables assigned. And I'll show you what that means in a later tutorial, way later. But I want to do this absolutely basic. So that's what you have to type to write a string out. And then now, if I ran this right now, it's going to crash. Well, not crash. It's just going to open for a second and go away. So we have to have a command, just like in batch programming, you have to have a pause. This one, you have to type in read line, and then close it off with a semicolon. Now, in JavaScript, you never have to close it off with a semicolon. They say you should. I never do it, and it works just fine. Here, it is absolutely necessary. It won't even compile. So now we're going to compile it, and then I will come back to you when it loads up. Okay, guys, so I could not get it to compile, but I promise you, unlike other tutorials where I mess up, this will work. When it'll pop up just like a batch file, and it'll say hello world, or whatever you want it to say. Now, I'm going to stop here because this is why. Not because I don't have time or anything, but when I look at a programming tutorial and it says 20 minutes, do I want to sit and watch the whole thing? No. I want to look at something quick. I'm just going to make a ton of really quick tutorials on what you have to do for single individual things, not today we're going to do this, this, and this. Then if you only want one of those things, you have to skim through the video to try and find it. So this is just simply writing strings, and that is it. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.